This class is for class 8. I am going to discuss some question of chapter 11. The page number is 160. Number A, objective type question. We have to choose the correct option. Number 1, pressure equals to, option C is correct, force per unit area. Number 2, a barometer is an instrument that measures atmospheric pressure. A is the correct answer. Number 3, the atmospheric pressure of a place. Number A is the correct, that is decrease as altitude decrease. Atmospheric pressure is due to what? Air. So at a certain height, amount of air will be decreased. For example, in moon, no air is there, so no atmospheric pressure will be there. Number 4, correct answer is the smooth surface has no friction. D is the correct answer. Number 5, to ensure that skies do not sink into the snow too far, they should be flat and have a large area. When that have large area, then pressure will be low. If pressure is low, then no chance to sink. Number 2, match the following. Column A and column B, we have to match out. Pressure means force per unit area. Liquid and gases or fluid. Atmospheric pressure, barometer. Unit of pressure, that is Pascal. Pascal, we have to match with unit of pressure. Number B, very short answer question. Number 1, write one word for the following. So 1, force per unit area is pressure. 2, liquid and gases together, that called fluid. Number 3, an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure, that is barometer. Number 4, an instrument used to measure pressure, that is pressure gauge. Number 2, define or explain the following. Pressure means force per unit area. Number 2, Pascal, standard unit of pressure is Pascal. Number 3, atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Liquid pressure, number 4, liquid pressure, the pressure which is exerted by amount of liquid is called liquid pressure, and that pressure is generally exerted in bottom of the container, and that is depend on depth of the liquid. Already explanation was given while taking the theory class. Number C, short answer question. What happens when we try to push an inflated balloon into a bucket of water? When we try to put a balloon in water, a bouncy force is exerted on the balloon, so it's difficult to put. Bouncy force is one type of reverse pressure given by what? Liquid, and that is also one of the reason of flotation. Float होता है ना पानी में कोई body due to bouncy force. Number 2, what is atmospheric pressure due to? Atmospheric pressure is due to what? Air, amount of air. Number 3, why is it necessary for astronauts to wear parachute suit? Because at certain height air is not there, so air is not there. तो क्या होता है कि अगर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर नहीं होगा तो ग्रेविटी भी नहीं होगा. सो ग्रेविटी नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? बॉडी विल बी मूव फ्रीली. दैट्स व्हाई एस्ट्रोनॉट शुड वेयर व्हाट? पैराशूट, pressurized suit, not parachute, pressurized suit. नहीं तो रॉकेट का अंदर क्या होगा? फ्रीली मूव करता रहेगा, एक जगह बैठ भी नहीं सकता. नंबर 4, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड ऑन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर? Atmospheric pressure will decrease when at a certain altitude. Number 5, how does liquid pressure vary with depth? Actually, one formula was given. Liquid pressure is certain, that is equal to rho gh this H is depth. In certain depth, if depth is high, then pressure is also high. Pressure is mainly depend on what? Height. For example, suppose we have a water filter or water containing container. So if we have a hole here and we have a hole here height is less, here height is more. Height means depth is less, here depth is more. So here pressure will be high, here pressure will be low. Number 6, why are dams made stronger and thicker at the bottom than at the top? Because at the bottom, here also, in the certain depth, more depth, the pressure will be more. So that's why in the lower part, it makes stronger. Number D, long answer question. Number 1, explain why a balloon bursts when too much air is blown into it. When too much air is put, then pressure is very high compared to our atmospheric pressure. Number 2, how would you demonstrate that the presence of atmospheric pressure? It is given in book. Try to write and send through WhatsApp. Number 3, explain briefly the construction and working of an open tube manometer. It is also given one question actually. So do from your side. Number 4, how would you show that liquid exert pressure in all direction? Actually, this question is a part of higher studies. You will get details in class 11, that is fluid mechanics, liquid pressure exert in every direction. Describe any two application of pressure: syringe, drink straw. So many applications are there. Number E, numerical questions. Number 1, a force of 25 Newton act on an area of 25 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure produced. So pressure P is equal to force per unit area, but area is given in centimeter square. So it will be 25 by 25, that is 1 Newton per centimeter square. You can convert in meter also. So number 2, what is the force needed to produce a pressure 1 Pascal over a square of side 2 meter? Side 2 meter means area is 4 meters square. Then the formula of pressure is P is equal to F by area. So F is equal to P into A. Pressure is given 1 Pascal and area is 4. So it will be 4 Newton. Number 3, over what area should a force 100 Newton act to produce a pressure of 500 Pascal? So here we have to calculate the area. So we know that pressure is equal to force per unit area. So area is equal to force per pressure. So force is equal to how much? 100, and pressure is 500. So it is 1 by 5 meters square. So the conceptual questions, answer of conceptual question are given. So this chapter is actually maximum concept are related to higher studies. So try to solve and try to send through WhatsApp. And next we'll discuss question answer of what? Sound chapter, that is chapter number 12. Fine.